everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create shareable URL link for your video. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Now click the square app icon at the top right side and select Google Drive. This will open your drive. Now click on the plus icon at the top left side and select File Upload. This will open to your file explorer. Now you just have to select the file and click on open. So make sure you are selecting the correct video and you just have to refresh your Google Drive, and as you can see that your video is uploaded on your Google Drive. Now you just have to click on manage access and switch this to anyone with the link. Now copy the link, and that's it. You have successfully created video URL link using Google Drive. You can share this link to your fellow members. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.